Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can manage App Permission Manager on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Privacy. Then Permissions. I will go with Locations, I have to tap on it and choose an app, for example Gallery. Now pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that Gallery gained access to this device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!